Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Rail Europe train booking and travel planner app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Rail Europe is a travel booking app designed to simplify train travel across Europe. It allows users to search, compare, and book tickets for various train operators, including high-speed, regional, and scenic trains covering countries like France, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, and more. The app integrates multiple European rail networks into one platform, making it convenient for travelers planning multi-country trips. The app's main feature is its smart search and booking system, which lets users view routes, ticket prices, and travel durations in real time. It supports e-tickets, multiple currencies, and several payment options, so travelers can avoid long queues at stations. Additionally, Rail Europe provides access to timetables, platform details, and live updates, helping users stay informed during their journey. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its user-friendly interface, wide train network coverage, and instant e-ticket delivery. The app is especially popular among tourists and business travelers looking for a seamless booking experience without navigating multiple rail websites. Its ability to compare train operators also helps users find the best routes and prices for their itinerary. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional delays in ticket synchronization, limited refund flexibility, and price variations depending on the rail operator. The app also relies heavily on internet connectivity, so offline access can be limited. Additionally, while it covers most major European countries, smaller local routes might not always appear in search results. In summary, the Rail Europe app may be worth using if you frequently travel across Europe or prefer a single platform for train bookings, schedule tracking, and seat reservations. However, if you prefer booking directly through national train providers or need full refund flexibility, you might find alternative options more suitable. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.